San Sebastian does Thursdays really well. We had 4 pinchos.
And 4 drinks. Pintxo Pote!
Pintxo Pote. It's a pote and it's Pintxo.
It's
Pintxo and a pote.
Pote.
This is a terrible video. So it's Thursday night, which means that it's Pintxo Pote time. We're in Gros, which is just over the river from Old Town. It's the neighborhood right by Zuriola Beach. And every Thursday night they do Pintxo Pote, which is free Pintxo with every drink, or a free drink with every Pintxo.
Most bars will have a special where you get your Pintxo and you get your Pote, which is drink. And for €250 or €350, depending on the place, you have your choice of the special Pintxos and you have a choice of a drink.
There will be specialties that each place does, but they'll limit the type of drink that you can get with it. So it's usually a tinto or a cider or a chocolate.
Or a beer.
Or a beer.
So we're gonna bar hop Donosti style.
Oh, that was nice.
I know, right?
Oh, it's good. It's like croquette on top of ham.
Tortilla rosada, rosé cup from Navarra, $2.50.
Alright, so 1 Pintxo down.
On to stop number 2.
I'm in the lead. My Pintxo was way better.
Oh, mine was good. It was just basic though. It was hard to see what they had.
So we're gonna go to this student Pintxo place here.
This one always kind of feels like the kids, well, the teenagers bar.
You sound like such an old lady.
I know.
We're gonna go where the cool kids get their Pintxos. Pintxo Pote stop number 2 with the cool kids.
Step 1, scan the bar, pick your Pintxo. Step 2, be aggressive. Step 3, order your Pintxos. Step 4, take a drink. And take a bite. I can't do this one hand.
You're in front of a dumpster right now. 2 Pintxos down. 2-1. We both had good Pintxos at this place. The cool kid Pintxos. Trying to finish my beer. And then we're on to Pintxo number 3.
We're on Birmingham Street, which is kind of like the Pintxo Pote Central on Thursdays. You ready?
I love this place.
Oh yeah, this is like our place.
This is our spot.
That's the speed. Let's look for the can.
This is our favorite place. It's just simple, it's super good. It's exactly what Pintxo Pote should be. A really strong cider pour, really good Iberico ham. So good.
In my mouth. 8:40 p.m. and the bars are full. Pintxo Pote is winding down in some places and picking up in others. So to the beach we go because it's really beautiful out tonight.
It's a Pintxo Pote miracle.
Here.
We lucked into a really pretty night here on Zuriola. We're coming home from Pintxo Pote. We're spinning, we're swirling. We saw a sunset, we saw dogs, we saw surfers, we saw life.